there's nothing better than a cup of coffee in the morning on an early sunrise as it comes up over the east side of the mountains there, looking over the Seattle Space Needle. Can you believe that? A shot like this with the birds and also the seals that are in the water this morning. Hello everyone, I'm the Doc, the Ghost Net guy of Washington State. And in this film short is put together for the people out at Panorama City. These early morning sunrises of the Northwest are just the best. I think we're blessed in that aspect of the fact that when the sun glances off of these mountains and reflects off the waters of Puget Sound, you get a sunrise that looks just absolutely spectacular. It turns the water red, and many times you can be on a good salmon bite with the sun coming up out of the east. So sit back and relax, and let's take a moment now and just enjoy what the Northwest has to offer.